All right, today we're going to bring a replaceable backup camera. Now, if you don't have this connection, make sure you verify with your car if it has a display, because most of the displays do have these systems. These are video and then you have your power too. All right, now the power itself, it comes with if you guys see minus and positive and negative power, and you power the actual system with it, which along with your AV connection, which is a analog connection you got to set up. Now on the actual camera itself, this is adjustable, right? So if you move it anywhere you want, it's adjustable. Now they give you plenty of space, plenty of ribbon to actually run it all the way to the back of your console. So you're gonna have to run it through your car or have a technician do it, or if you can do it yourself, you can do it if you know how to remove the actual panel. All right, to remove it's very simple. All you got to do is pretty much get this in there in the license plate area. So let's go ahead and remove it, and you got to make sure you have your tools first. Once you got the camera adjusted and the cable running inside, you can move this up and down. Very simple. I'm not going to show you my license plate, but I just want you to see the actual how it looks. So I'm going to just show you this, and make sure you remove the plastic before you use it. The cable's running inside right now. All you got to do is install it into your back panel, and that's going to take me a couple of days to do. So I just want to show you the first part of it, and then I'm going to run the cable. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.